Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is super exciting. We have a free Notion template for you guys. I'll also be sharing with you what it's all about. We're doing a cozy routine reset video, which I'm so excited for. Life has been busy, holidays are coming up, I have a baby, you probably have a lot of things to do, and sometimes we just need a little reset. So we're gonna go step by step with my new free Notion template to get our cozy routine reset working. We're gonna figure out our weekly routine. We're gonna work on our Sunday reset to-do list. We're gonna explore some hobbies that we want to try or do, and just basically find some time for ourselves during this busy season. If you're interested, make sure to keep watching. And if you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. So excited to share with you my life as a content creator and small biz owner. And if you like desk, tech, productivity, lifestyle videos, any of that, all of that, make sure to subscribe. And without further ado, let's get in. Okay, so this is how your cozy routine reset challenge template is gonna look like. It is completely free. All you have to do is sign up for my newsletter. You get access to all my freebies. I have a lot of fun freebies like digital planning, wallpaper, stickers, digital stickers, and a lot more. So that's all you have to do. But I'm gonna go through this with you as if I am you. Obviously, you would copy and duplicate this and do your own version, but you kind of see how I'm planning to plan in mine. That way it can help you if you just need a little bit of ideas or anything. But yeah, let's get in. First thing I want to do is set a weekly routine for myself, because what we're trying to do is find some time for yourself, because I know this time of the year is going to be super busy. There's a lot of things you're going to want to do and you just don't have time for yourself. And that's something I've definitely been seeing the last couple of weeks, especially with my small business, like Black Friday, like holiday stuff that I need to work on. This is the busiest time of the year, especially for small business. Probably is the same for you for work, for just life in general, for family. So kind of figuring out a time to kind of sit down, figure something out so that when you are working, you have something to look at and kind of see what you're doing. First off, I'm gonna share when I wake up, which is usually around 10. And that is when baby is feeding. I'm gonna do that all the way till Saturday and Sunday. Obviously, you don't have to follow this exactly, just something to have as a guideline when you need to. Obviously, things change. You might get busy one day, not the other, so don't be too hard on yourself on that if that does happen. Usually, everything settles down around 12, so I'm gonna make sure that I'm around doing some work. I don't work as much as I used to because baby is awake a lot of times. She is 9 months now, so depending on your work schedule, obviously you would do that. I think the most time I would have for relaxing is probably in the last session when she's taking a nap. So I'm gonna say that's around 7 to 8, so maybe 8 to 9 would be my resting time, and this is the time where I can try to think of something to do and figure out what kind of hobbies I want. So this is the time where I'm gonna do me time. So I found my schedule, figure out yours. Everyone's different. I'm just gonna keep things super simple for myself because usually this day is about the same. So I'm just going to keep every day the same. But obviously your schedule might be different than mine, so I'm just gonna do simple things. So when you get your schedule down, you're good to go. I also included an energy mood section just in case you want to track your mood for the week. That's something you can see and figure out why you're not happy during the certain time of the day or something like that. That way you can kind of figure out what you can fix and what makes you happy and do. Another session that I always have been craving to have is a Sunday reset kind of to-do list. I feel like sometimes I don't know what I'm doing on Sundays, and then I don't do my chores, and then I end up having to do it during the week, which can be a little annoying because weekdays are usually at work. So having all my chores done on the weekend is always more ideal. So I listed a bunch of things that I want to do. You can do your own. It doesn't have to be chores. It can be other things too. Like if you decided that you can't do hobbies during the weekdays, set a time once a week to do your hobbies, because any type of me time is always very, very important to have. So make sure you do something like that. And then on the side, I have today I am grateful for. So if you're looking to kind of wanting to share something every day or whenever you have time to look at this Notion template, feel free to do so. I included that. The video challenge is supposed to be this video right here, so if you need to look at this video, I will have it there, but right now I'm filming the video, so I don't have the actual video here. In the hub on there, you have it 2 different places. You have a journaling prompt section, so if you just need some time to write, sometimes writing really helps. Even though if you don't know what to write, I have prompts for you to write. It can really help with kind of clearing your mind, figuring out what you might need and stuff like that. To have it in different sections here, I have small biz, personal, hobbies, home, and work. So it's kind of almost like a reflection of what's going on right now. You can also do things that try to plan things that you might want to do and kind of figure out your hobbies that you might want to do for the rest of this year. So I have a couple of questions here. Feel free to add your own, add anything extra, whatever you like. You can always go online to find journal prompts also. And then I also have this goals section for you. So something I would want to do is probably journal daily. For me, I also want to create some new content, but more cozy and more cinematic shots. And then last but not least, I want to clean up the house. So when 2026 rolls around, we just have everything fresh and ready to go. So that's kind of my goals for the next 2 months, but I'm not gonna be hard on myself because mom life can be really hard. So yeah. And then you have personal stuff that you might want to do. I think for me, I would want to do by the end of this year is get back into watercoloring. I think that's something I want to do personally. It is a hobby, but it's something I personally want. But yeah, so fill this up any way you want. And when you go back, we have a cozy ritual section, which you can go through our hobbies that we have. I also included some products, some videos, whatever you might need for these hobbies. These are the top ones that I think are easy to start with. These are my favorite hobbies to do, so make sure to check these out. If you ever need any requests on more hobbies, other things, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. I would love to check it out. But that's pretty much it. I'm trying to keep it simple. In the beginning, I wanted to do a lot of things, but I felt like if I kept it more simple, it would be easier to do. So that's where I'm at. But yeah, make sure to download this and put it in your Notion. Thank you for watching. But that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't grabbed the freebie yet, make sure to sign up for my email newsletter. You'll get access to all my freebies, which I have a lot that you can choose from digital planning, journal prompts, fun wallpapers, and more. But thank you again for watching today's video. I hope you have a good rest of your day. And don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyle on Instagram and TikTok. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!